Pattern 6. Yep. Because of limitation of time, I have to move on to pattern number 6. Pattern number 6 is on the unmanned aerial vehicle delivery item, drone delivery using drone. They call it Amazon Prime Air, right? Amazon Prime Air is a drone delivery service by Amazon.com. It allows packages to be sent within 30 minutes of ordering. This is their objective. So this pattern was filed in 2015. In 2015, I think drone wasn't that popular yet, but they have already figured out a way to use drone to send goods, mainly to cut down the delivery time, to cut down the cost. Human delivery is always most expensive. So before they figure all this out, they already patented that solution. So that in the future, if someone were to do the same thing, they have to pay royalty to Amazon.com, right? In the future, when drone delivery has become the norm, then the pattern is one of the things that all the other retailer will have to consider if they want to use drone to deliver. And Amazon.com, like the one-click pattern, will be very, very important because everyone will have to pay royalty to Amazon.com for using drone. So let's see what is protected by Amazon.com in the claims, the parameter, the combination. The system, again, is a software system using a plurality of unmanned aerial vehicle, right? Unmanned aerial vehicles are the drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have they are configured to aerially transfer items. They have something that allows you to transport items using, safely travel in the air. Then you have a vehicle management system. The vehicle management system has processor, computer processor, has memory, has the programming. So someone can, this vehicle management system can receive a request to deliver an item to a destination, right? So this system, after they receive a request to do delivery, this vehicle management system will send a delivery parameter to the drone. So this system, which is based in Amazon, when they receive this order to send, they will send, Amazon Prime will send to the drone. Delivery parameter. What the delivery parameter says is, first, the source location and the item to collect. Okay. Second, the destination collection, the destination location. So the vehicle, the drone management system receive request, and then the system send an order to the drone, a deliver parameter, identify the source, what to collect, and the destination location. And the vehicle, the drone, in response to the delivery vehicle, will fly to the source, pick up the goods, go to the destination, engage the goods. So if you look at the claim of the patent, it's a very wide claim. It's basically saying that in the future, you want to use drone to deliver, you have to pay royalty to this patent, right? So it's a very wide claim, which I think I would like to share with you all. That's how Amazon.com protect the delivery, right? So you have the system that orders the drone to go to the source, pick it up, and deliver to the user. And this is what Amazon share. And I think this is going to be a very important pattern for Amazon.com.